Need a little help navigating the screen and finding the document that you're looking for? Well, here's a few quick tips to help. First of all, if you've purchased a GenBan solution, you'll want to start here by clicking on View All Solutions. This will provide a list of all the solutions available in which to select. If you want to expand this out, simply click and drag to the right. You can also click and drag down. In this case, I'm going to click on C20 Call Session Controller. As you can see, this will start to refine the number of documents available, and this will also give me a list of the solution releases available in which to select from. In this case, I'm going to click on CVM 17. Once I click on that, you'll see that the count again reduces, and it will give me a list of those available products for that solution release. In this case, I'm going to click on the G9 Converge Gateway, and as you can see, my count is reduced down to 20. It will also give me a list of available releases for that product. In this case, it's simply 10. And if I click on that, again, it doesn't reduce since that's the only release available for that product. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on that first document, and it will open up in a separate window. And as you can see, I have the ability to save, print, email, etc. Alright, the next step is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close this document. I'm going to go back to my list, and say, for example, you've purchased just a product not associated with the solution. I'm going to go ahead and click on the View All Products button, and as you can see, it's going to give me a list of highlighted products in which to choose from. Again, I'm going to expand this out a little bit, easier to see, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to look for, say, for example, C20 Experius. Okay, once I click on that, as you can see, it's going to give me a list of available releases for that product, and as you can see, the count's already reduced down to 36. In this case, I'm going to pick the latest release, which is 10.2, and as you can see, it reduces my count down to 35. In this case, I'm going to click on what's new in Experius 10.2, and it's going to open up that document, and again, I have the options to save, print, email, etc. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and close that down, and I'm going to go back to the main and refresh the main screen. Now, another way to search for a document is to go ahead and highlight the column headings. In this case, you'll see a drop down. I'm going to go ahead and click on that drop down arrow, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Show Filter Choices. After a moment, after it builds that list, it's going to head and modify those column headings so that you have a drop down list in which to search from. If I click that down arrow, I can start typing in various characters, and it's going to take me down to where those are. And say, for example, I'm looking for 10450, 900. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. As you see, it's going to return 5 documents, same document number, various revisions. It's automatically sorted by published date in reverse order, so the most current is obviously going to be at the top. So again, if I just click on that document, it'll open up, give me the ability to print it, save it, email it, etc. So again, I hope these tips have helped navigate through this screen. If you have any feedback, we'd love to hear it, so please send us an email at feedback@genban.com, and we hope you enjoy the new Document Center.